Hey guys, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel. I share videos related to art and creativity on this channel. So if you are interested in creativity, consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I will be sharing with you the DIY process of making a frame at home. Basically, I've been doing a lot of drawing and artwork at home, and I wanted to hang all those artworks to the wall. But hanging the artwork to the wall requires framing and drilling holes in the wall, which is not possible because there were too many frames. So here I share with you two types of frame which can be made at home, and you can attach your artwork to the walls without drilling holes. So basically they are very easy to make and they don't even cost you rupees 100. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin with, measure the artwork that you want to frame. Now you need a black chart paper. Whatever are the measurements of your artwork, reduce 0.5 centimeter from it and make a box on a black chart paper. Now again mark a line 0.5 centimeter inside the box and make a box inside again. Repeat the same step once again. Mark a 0.5 centimeter inside and make a box again. Now on the outer side, mark a line at a distance of 1.5 centimeter and make a box outside. Now again at the distance of 0.5 centimeter, mark a line on the outer side and make a box. Then at the distance of 1.5 centimeter, make another box. I know it can be a bit confusing, but I'll show you the entire picture later on. Okay, so this is what your lines will look like. Pause the video and carefully observe the lines and the distance at which they are drawn. Time for some cutting. Cut the excess chart paper from the outside and the inside exactly at the markings. You need to cut the piece of paper exactly as shown in the video from all the four corners. Next, you need to give a diagonal cut in the inside corners as shown in the video. Once done cutting, use the non-cutting side of a blade and pass it through every line marked on the paper. Remember, you just have to make creases and not cut the paper. Once done making creases, fold the paper at marked lines. The creases will make it easy for you to fold exactly at the lines. Once your folding is complete, with the help of a glue, stick the two sides of a paper. It will automatically give you a box shaped frame. Okay, remember, these frames are just to enhance the look of your artwork and they do not give you the steadiness that is expected from a frame, but the only goal here is to make your artwork look good. Just observe the thickness that we have achieved from the frame by just folding the paper. So they look pretty good on the framework. If you remember, we had taken the length of the artwork initially and reduced 0.5 mm from it. The reason was so that the frame can be easily be glued to the artwork. Things you require for this frame is foam board, pencil, scale, a cutter and a black masking tape. To start with, measure the artwork that you need to get framed and then mark and then cut 2 cm thick strips of the length from the foam board. Arrange it around your artwork to check whether it is fitting properly or not, and just apply black masking tape over the foam board strips. And there you go, your frame is ready. This one was quite easy one. I temporarily secured it with tapes at 4 corners to check whether the frame is placed properly with the aspect of the artwork. And once that is done, I sealed it with sellotape. Similar way I framed other artworks. Time to fix frames on the wall. I'm just using a paper tape to attach all the frames on the wall, and that's it. You do not need any drilling, and it is a very good idea for the people staying in the apartments which are rented, or if you do not want to drill holes in the wall. And tada, my art wall is all ready. This is my own doodle art storyboard which I made. I posted it on Instagram. I'm open to take orders for personalized storyboards. So if you are interested to get your own storyboard made, text me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box below. Framing the artwork literally changed the look of the entire wall. Like my video, do give it a thumbs up. It means a lot. Do subscribe to my channel. Click here to subscribe to my channel. If you wish to watch other videos regarding creativity, click here or here. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I come up with new videos. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Take care.